Dear students, today we have to read the English First Flight, Course B. Your first chapter is A Letter to God. What is the meaning? A letter to God. Means someone is going to correspond with the God. Someone is going to write a letter to God. A letter to God. This chapter has been written by G.L. Phelps, who was the greatest writer, poet, and novelist also. He was born in 1897 and he died in 1966. My dear students, what is the theme? What is the theme of this chapter? In this chapter, one character is very important, and that character is Lencho. The whole story runs around Lencho. Lencho was a poor farmer, and his house was situated at the crest of the low valley, and there was a single house in that valley, and the Lencho was a poor farmer. That day, the crops needed only a downpour, a shower. Lencho was hard-working farmer. He worked in his family just like a bull. वो एक बैल की तरह अपने खेतों में काम करता था। लेंचो इतना गरीब था लेकिन बहुत ईमानदार था। लेंचो भविष्यवाणी करता है कि आज बारिश होगी। Lencho foretold that it is going to rain. His wife was preparing supper. She told, it will rain if the God will wish. My dear friends, what happened? Very soon it started coming the clouds from the northeast, and it started raining. And half an hour, what happened? What was the situation of the whole valley? The hailstorm destroyed all the crops. There were not a single leaf on the trees. When the rain stopped, Lencho went into his field, and he was standing in the middle of the field, and he said, "Oh God, what happened? In this year, there will be no crops, there will be no grain to fulfill the valley." लेकिन लेंचो ये जानता था कि पूरी इस वैली में, पूरी इस घाटी में अगर कोई मदद करने वाला है तो ईश्वर ही मदद करने वाला है, दूसरा कोई मदद करने वाला नहीं है। इसलिए व्हाट इज द थीम ऑफ द लेटर टू गॉड? Lencho had a firm faith about God. And my dear students, I have to think that if you are the blind supporter of the God, you are determined, and with the determination you are doing your work, there will no impediments in the way what you are going to gain in your life. So, लेंचो गरीब था, एक फार्मर था, लेकिन उसको लिखने आता था, कुछ लिखना जानता था। उसने सोच लिया कि मेरे को क्या करना है। लेंचो decided what he had to do. He was fully prepared to write a letter to God. He hoped no one will solve his problems except God. He had a blind faith in the God, and the next day he went to the post office having written a letter to God, and when he finished the letter, he bought the stamp and he fixed the stamp on the envelope and dropped into the mailbox. And when he dropped the letter, the postman read such the letter, such the address. He surprised, oh God, in the whole life I have not seen such the address. What a type of this person is. He wrote a letter to God. He started correspondence to the God. That is the miracle. That is the matter of surprise. How he had the blind faith in the God. But he showed this letter to his postmaster. Seeing the address, postmaster started laughing. But he became serious. And when he opened the letter, he read the whole problems of the Lencho. And he became serious and decided to donate, decided to help to the Lencho. He begged some money to his employees and he collected only 70 paces. In his writing, in his prayer, Lencho demanded 100 paces. And the postmaster only collected 70 paces. 70 paces. After collecting the money, he dropped the money into the envelope and single word he wrote from God. Next day, Lencho came and requested to the postman and said, Sir, I have some letter. Postman gave him the letter. Lencho took the letter, opened it, and he started reading easily. He was not hesitating about from where this money has come because he had firm faith about the God. And when he counted the money was only 70 paces, he angry. Oh God, I demanded 100 paces and you gave only 70 paces. I have need of the 70 paces, rest of the money also. 30 paces. Very soon, he baked the ink and he started writing the letter. And in the writing, he requested, oh God, I know you are very honest. But post office employees are bunch of crooks. They are deceiver. They have taken the rest of the money. I request you to send that money with the mail. So my dear students, this chapter is very important chapter. If you have the faith in the God and taking the faith in the God, if you do your work, definitely you will get success. There will be no hindrance. There will be no impediments in your path of success. Thank you.